what's happening with manufacturing in the United States, and where is the housing market going? A lot of homeowners want to know, and there's a lot of data coming out this week that just might tell us. Let's take a look. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. On Monday, the National Association of Home Builders kicks off the week's housing market numbers with the release of its Housing Market Index for April. The index, a measure of sentiment among home builders, is projected to come in at a reading of 51, same as it did in March. Although that's more than 40% below the index's all-time high of 90 posted in November 2020, it would be about even with the metric long-term running average of 51.9. Next, on Tuesday, the Commerce Department will check in with data on new residential construction for March. Economists expect to see that housing starts came in last month at a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.5 million, slightly less than February's number. Additionally, the report is expected to show that there were 1.51 million building permits issued last month, also slightly less than the number issued in February. Then on Thursday, the National Association of Realtors will round out the week's housing market metrics when it reports on existing home sales for March. Economists are forecasting that previously owned homes were sold last month at a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.2 million, which would be 180,000 fewer than February. Sales of existing homes in February unexpectedly climbed 9.5%, the largest percentage increase in a year. Other numbers we'll be watching this week include the leading economic index for March, which will be released on Thursday by the Conference Board. You might recall that LEI made headlines last month when the board revealed that the index unexpectedly increased 1/10 of a point in February. It was the metric's first increase in nearly 2 years. Economists expect that streak will only last 1 month. Projections are the LEI dropped last month by 1/10 of a point. Also this week, we'll get updates on the health of the manufacturing sector when the Federal Reserve Bank of New York releases the results of its Empire State Manufacturing Survey for April. The General Business Conditions Index is expected to land in contraction territory for the 5th straight month, suggesting continued erosion in manufacturing conditions throughout New York State. It is expected we'll see some sizable improvement compared to March. Last month's index came in at minus 20.9. This month, the index is projected to land at a relatively better minus 5.2. Then on Thursday, it will be the Philadelphia Fed's turn to reveal the results of its Manufacturing Business Outlook survey for April. It does seem that conditions in the Mid-Atlantic manufacturing sector have been better than in New York, with the Philadelphia Fed's survey index landing in expansion territory for the last 2 months. The index is expected to show expansion this month. The metric is forecast to come in at 0.8 of a point, down from the 3.2 reading posted in March. Well, that's it for now. As usual, we'll be back on Saturday to let you know what really happened in the economy. This is Devlyn Steele for Augusta Precious Metals signing out.